In this video, we're going to take a look at Ethernet certification and standards. In a previous video, you may have seen me use this tester, and this tester just tests for shorts and for crossovers, and but there's other testers that we'll look at later here that test for a great deal more for certification, including length and speed of the cable, etc. Certification is the most rigorous of all cable testing. It's performed primarily by commercial datacom installers, and it's the final step required by connectivity OEMs to grant their warranties for properly installed cabling projects. Certification test tool makes many types of measurements across predefined frequency ranges and compares the detailed results to standards set by Telecommunications Industry Association, TIA, or International Standards Organization, ISO. And here now you can see a Fluke Network tester, a lot more feature rich than the one that I showed or demonstrated with earlier. And up next is another tester. This one also full featured and much more expensive than the tester I was using. And so you have the TIA and the ISO, International Standards Organization standards. The results from these measurements determine if a link is compliant with a category or class of cable, for example, Category 5E or Category 6 cable. Certification tools are the only tools that provide pass or fail information on the cable in accordance with TIA or ISO standards. Each test tool is designed for a different purpose. If you are a network technician and have undocumented cabling and need to see if it will support your 100 base TX network, a qualification tool is for you. If you have an existing network and are doing small add moves and changes, or setting up a temporary network and just need to qualify it for specific network technology, a qualification tool could be the way to go. If you're a commercial installer who needs to prove to the building owner that all the cabling has been installed correctly, you must certify it to receive the support and financial security of a manufacturer's warranty. Certification to TIA or ISO standards is your only option. And an example from what we were talking about earlier is that let's assume you have two cables of unknown capability. Both cable A and B will pass the verification wire map test. That's the test that we saw from my tester. However, a qualification test may show that cable A is only capable of supporting 10 base T, while cable B is able to support gigabit Ethernet. Very important standards, TIA and ISO, and thank you for watching.